Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, put it up.
Fuck you over. You might never know, Philly, you might take that 390 from me and do what you did. And then you gonna look on it say, you are look on it say, you are look nothing to you for you to fuck me over. I did nothing to you, you're not looking at that. I did nothing to you for you to even try and fuck me over. And that's just the fucking bottom line. And like I said, we'll take a picture now and clot you, my love. The whole of Bronx are gonna know about blood clot, yo. The whole of Bronx are gonna know about you. Because I know you until I see in the salon, I'm just blood clot, bring it up. I have to make a man come blood clot beat me. I have to make a man come blood clot shoot me. But the man that go to prison for your batty fish. The man that go to prison for your batty blood clot fish could do him life sentence or whatever sentence will come. But one thing when I start, I not even think about blood clot death. Come here I said, I'm not going to say anything or any blood clot thing. Because someone only love take on a man and threaten transgender and threaten gay people, but me not one of them are going to blood clot afraid. Because anything a man can do, a man can do. I know your full name. Break. I'm just giving you a break, but bitch, if me have the money again, I get the messages them. I get the messages them. I'm okay, I'm always have a name, so listen to exactly what take place. I'm making you blood class suffer and me blood class suffer. The two of us suffer. How about that? The two of us suffer. Remember scamming me used to do? I know exactly what the blood clot do. Not because I not scam anymore. That don't mean I don't know. I know how to call and get you in a it. I think ahead. I'm going to the casino enough that one time I sell one car. I sell one car for 2 million at Jamaica. I say 2.3 million. I'm going to the casino and lose the bank, the investigation and everything and blah blah whatever. When I photograph it, when I picture in the blood clot casino, I go in and out. Then the bank turn on and I go charge. So since then, somebody send on somebody naked picture my love. And the person picture gets sent round. One have attitude and mad with me, and it's not me. I never send out nobody picture. Me I cut the person who send out the picture. Me I cut them. Them are come in here and left and gone. And I send out to me because me now pick up for them and me now pick up. I can't pick up for you if you're wrong. I'm gonna tell you say you're wrong. I'm going to tell you say you're wrong. I'm going to tell you say your blood clot wrong. And sometimes you don't want to hear say you're wrong. And that if I do something and I'm wrong, I want to tell me say my blood clot wrong. I'm going to feel anything I want to feel because I'm wrong. I'm going to have no problem if I'm wrong. I'm going to come back and just like if someone type of the comments, I'm mistaken to block them. not mistaken the black them. I read what them say and misunderstood. And then I realize say I take it the wrong way. But go back and unblock them. But go back and unblock them. I'm not going to kiss my teeth and say, "Chow, she lucky my love because she want." No. But don't think them way there. But don't think them way there. Because some people think like me. I think say, "You don't have to come watch me. And you have to come listen to me. And you have to come." I not think them way there because you can't don't watch me. And you don't have to come from my live one time. I dip on my live. I dip on live. And you don't owe me no obligation to come on the live. And you don't. That's how I don't do certain things. And that's why sometimes I don't understand people. Because some things that only make people do to you know, and some things when you take up, you know, all the palm live and afraid for talk. I when I'm live, when you talk out on the blood clot mouth, stand for one to believe. If you feel to me, I keep up fuckery, and I feel like you want to tell me upon the live, tell me and get the black if you get the black. I'm not doing if me not gonna jump and say them blood clot like me not unblock them. Yeah, me gonna unblock you. Me gonna unblock you because me wrong. And when me unblock you, sometimes me gonna text you and tell you I'm sorry, me misunderstood. Me not gonna say you have to come watch me so I gonna make a next page. I can't take them with the internet don't obligated to me. The people that want to watch on the internet are not obligated to me. That's why I'm always appreciative of everything. And sometimes when you write a 7 minute mother sheet upon tongue. No, we have to show our appreciation. And that's why I try to build a rapport with someone on the because when they text me, I text in the back. But I realize this, a lot of people don't like that. A lot of people don't like when you treat them equal. A lot of people don't like them when they, you know, when they don't want to get better than them. People don't like that. People like when a dog them out and angle them like dead dog. I don't know which blood clot girl or boy could have get me blood clot to watch them on them live while them disrespect me. You're mad? I have to tell you about them blood. I have to dip up under them blood clot and come off. But that's to understand people. People mindset, because yes, the drama nice. Yes, the drama nice sometimes. But every blood clot time, and at what expense? No, but God on time, as if the same people that will class them, is like, I lose faith. What you mean, you lose faith? Yeah. I now run down that one, I forget. I now run down that one, I forget. I have anything I forget and anything I achieve, I gotta achieve it right on time when God wants to achieve it. Hey, Sonny baby, what's up, darling? So now I got to hear me come and make problem with people. Because I want to see much people are watching me. I love me now. If a girl fuck with me, I feel like I want to talk out of my mouth that different. If a girl fuck with me, I feel like I want to talk out of my mouth. Because any girl blood clot fuck with me, I feel like I want to talk. I don't care who, I'm going to open my blood clot mouth because of my mouth. All them do, them lick up my blood clot false teeth, them according with them some I have. I see me. But of course, them make it look like it okay. So that's the people that come text me now about him blood clot, lose faith. I want to know him lose faith because him call me and beg me fuck. And I'm telling him I don't not come around there. Because I let him my blood clot by the rest. Yeah. Because him think I'm going to forget when I go around there and check on him. I'm going to remind him the other day, I'm saying, okay, I'm coming there. Him going to tell me, say, you could have just come around here. I said, no, darling dear, you're a liar, tell. Remember the last time I come on there, you go on, and I just come check if you're alright, and you go on, and somebody never blood clot do it again. So don't look forward to it. Now, if you're not here for them 2 days, I don't take a blood clot care. I not text and ask him okay. I just wait, and if he want blood clot, text him text. That's why I'm going to keep my pussy and I know I can't keep it no blood clot, boy. I'm going to care what nobody wants to say, how they want